Welcome to our video comparing TP-Link Deco M5 and Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system. In this video, we'll break down the features of both systems and help you decide which one is best for your home. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Both systems offer seamless whole home Wi-Fi coverage up to 4,500 to 5,500 square feet. However, TP-Link Deco M5 has a slight edge with better coverage due to its 3 units working seamlessly to create a mesh network. Both systems offer seamless and stable Wi-Fi with a single network name and password. However, TP-Link Deco M5 has a unique adaptive routing technology that automatically chooses the fastest path for every device, making it more flexible than eero. Both systems offer secure Wi-Fi mesh networking, but TP-Link Deco M5 includes a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, featuring next-level antivirus, robust parental controls, and COS. eero offers additional online security and network management features, but those require a separate subscription. Both systems are easy to set up using their respective apps and work with most major internet service providers. However, TP-Link Deco M5 has better compatibility with the ability to work with all ISPs, while eero replaces your Wi-Fi router. Both systems allow easy expansion with cross-compatible hardware. However, eero offers more options for expansion as your needs change. The TP-Link Deco M5 is priced at $144 United States dollars, while Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is priced at $169 United States dollars. However, prices may vary depending on offers and discounts available. There you have it, a detailed comparison between the TP-Link Deco M5 and Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system. Both of these systems offer excellent features, but your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Let us know which one you prefer in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.